Oh, you're here. Welcome. Shall we begin?
As you all may or may not be aware, years of pollution have ossified the world's future. If we don't act now, an uncontrollable kerfuffle will be created in our one and only home, full of supernatural beauty, exquisite spots. A world without them is impossible to imagine.
Luckily, we, the company, How to Save the World in 3 easy peasy lemon squeezy steps and help the human race to not go extinct because we care, created an astonishingly mysterious gadget to help us out with everything. This is the 3SIS, the 3-step Earth Saver.
Let me show you how it works. By pushing one button, one problem gets solved. To help me with today's project, here is Dr. Bertalanič.
People's avarice and tendency to overlook problems lead to pollution, climate crisis, water levels rising, and natural disasters like tsunamis. More frequent deluges also leave more and more people destitute. One of the main problems is littering, and by pushing the first button, a group of volunteers will magically appear out of nowhere and start cleaning a contaminated area.
The second button solves deforestation. Logically, the trees can't save themselves if they're being continually cut, therefore not being able to reproduce. So, a good solution for that is for us to plant some trees and shut down big logging companies. So, let's plant some trees.
Our planet is the most precious and invaluably important creation on which we were born. That's why we shouldn't leave it in disaster. So let's finalize this by solving the third problem.
Air pollution. The biggest contributor that we can fight against is traffic. So, the push of the third button will make people become aware of the problem and help them consider if they have any possibility to pollute the air less. Like, for example, choosing to go by bike instead of by car. Even if we sometimes feel the overwhelming urge to abscond, it is our duty to save the Earth. That's why I expect for 3SIS to become a fabled invention in no time.
Cut!
That went really well.
Guys! Hey! I think you dropped something. Oh, what does this red button do?
No!